Hi buddies, today our lesson is about some and any. We use some and any with plural nouns and uncountable nouns. Some is generally used in positive sentences. Any is generally used in negative sentences. I have some information for you about flights to Paris. Positive, uncountable. I don't have any information for you about flights to Paris. Negative, uncountable. We met some friends for drinks after work yesterday. Positive, plural countable. I didn't see any friends there on Thursday. Negative, plural countable. I think he will have some time to speak to you today. Positive, uncountable. I don't think he will have any time to speak to you today. Negative, uncountable. You can also use some and any in a sentence without a noun if the meaning of the sentence is clear. I didn't eat any salad but Peter ate some. Salad. Sean took lots of photos of the mountains but Emma didn't take any. Photos. Examples of some and any. 1. I haven't seen any of his pictures. 2. I would like to see some. 3. Have you got any wine? 4. No, I haven't got any wine. 5. Have you got any champagne? 6. Yes, we have some. 7. My brother hasn't got any friends. 8. Have you got any money? 9. No, I haven't got any money. 10. Is there any beer in the bottle? 11. No, there isn't any beer. 12. Have you got any stamps? I have to post this letter. 13. I've got some stamps in the drawer. 14. Is there any coffee left? 15. No, there isn't any coffee left. 16. Did you eat any meat yesterday? 17. Is there any sugar left? 18. No, there isn't any sugar left. 19. Have you got any aspirins? 20. Some people like the sea. 21. Do you want some wine? 22. Can I have some more coffee, please? 23. There is some ice in the fridge. 24. Why don't you give her some flowers? 25. Have you got any brothers or sisters? 26. No, I haven't got any brothers or sisters. 27. Are there any books on the table? 28. Yes, there are some. 29. If you have any doubts, let me know. Tell me. 30. Have you got any change? 31. No, I haven't got any change. 32. He left home without any money. 33. If there are any letters for me, send them to this address. 34. Any dictionary will give you the meaning of this. 35. Can you cook some rice for lunch? 36. There are some little girls playing in the park. 37. Some of the boys can come this afternoon. 38. Some of them were at the meeting yesterday. 39. Have you got any tea? 40. I think there is some in the cupboard. THSNKU